Time to save you some money now before you make that weekly trip to the grocery store. Our smart shopper already scoped out the deals so you can add them to your list.
Score a deal on assorted pork chops at Bash's this week. You can buy those chops for just $1.57 per pound and get 2 packs for that price. Head to Fry's and save on a pound of strawberries for just 97 cents per pound. And you can get up to 4 pounds at that price. At both Albertsons and Fry's, you can save on a gallon of milk for just $1.99 with a limit of 2. Also at Albertsons, save on boneless, skinless chicken breast on sale for just $1.49 per pound. Now the chicken is sold in packs of 3 pounds or more. At Pro's Ranch Market, score a 10-pound bag of potatoes for just $1.49. Get your tangerines for a great buy because Food City has 4 pounds for just $1 with a limit of 8 for that price. And score a deal on avocados at Food City. You can buy 5 for $1. Get up to 10 at that price. Sprouts has organic cabbage on sale. You can purchase 4 pounds for $1. I'll have more Valley Grocery Store deals posted at abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.